In today's video, I'll show you how to install RSAT on Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for settings. Then from the best matches, just open up settings. Just expand this. Then just go to system from the left hand menu. Then just scroll all the way down. And here you're gonna find an option called optional features. Just go inside this. And after you do that, you're gonna see here view features option. Just go click it. Click on yes if it asks for administrator permission. Then from here, what you have to do is click here on see available features. Then under available feature, you find the search box. Just in here, type RSAT or Active Directory and find the second option called RSAT Active Directory Domain Service and Lightweight Tool. You can expand it to read the details and just check this and click on add. Then just give it some time. It will add the feature to your system. Just give it a little bit time. And this thing takes a while, but after it's done, you'll see this. Then just click on close. Then just close this out as well. And after that, how to verify it's done. To verify it's done, what you have to do is just go to search and search for Windows Tools. From the best matches, just open up Windows Tools. And now here, as you can see, Active Directory site and services is over here. That means our Active Directory has been installed. And that's basically it. And basically, that is how to install RSAT on Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.